I've been able to buy a new set of equipment and gears for my YouTube videos and my YouTube channels, right? So basically in this video I'm going to show you what these tools and equipment are, or gears are, however you call them, and also I'm going to unbox them. And additionally, I am also going to motivate you, because it took me about 1 year and 4 months to be able to afford all these things you are seeing on my table. Okay, all right. So now I will show you a video of when I started my YouTube channel, right? After watching that particular video, then we'll go ahead and then we will unbox it. Okay,
I have one fine gentleman here. I want to speak to him and know what he thinks about this. All right.
Yes, and you realize that it was an entertainment channel as well. So it means that I didn't even start with YouTube growth. I started with entertainment channel. You get me? So when I started with the entertainment channel, I sold it later, right? And I think $150, right? And then I used the money to buy ring lights, and then my low budget microphone. I think it was $20 or so, right?
I just got my K9 wireless microphone, okay? And I want to show you guys how to use it. HD on YouTube, okay? Because it is something that a lot of people don't know about it. Never think you can trick YouTube, because YouTube is very, very smart.
All right, so now if you watch the video, you realize that there was a lot of noise in the video because I was not having any microphone, you understand? And I didn't even have much experience to remove the unnecessary noise from it and other stuff, you get me? Yeah, but today I have a lot of things here, right? So now I hope this has encouraged you at least. Let me first of all show you the things I'll be unboxing. So first of all, I have my Hollyland Lac M2 wireless microphone. This microphone is one of the most expensive microphones in the world. This is how it looks like. Very, very beautiful. And then I also have my headset here, right? I'll also be unboxing my headset. In fact, I've already unboxed the headset. I will also be unboxing my table microphone, podcast microphone, right? Yes, I will also be unboxing my sound card, right? There's a microphone inside also, and it also contains the stand as well. Okay, but I've got myself 3 new phones: Infinix Hot 60 Pro, right? And then Samsung S22, and then iPhone 11 Pro, you get me? And finally, this is the last one. I've also got myself a beautiful chair, right? Yes, a beautiful chair here, and you can rotate it, you understand? Yeah, you can rotate it. Very, very beautiful. Without wasting much time, I'll be unboxing, right? So this is the microphone. I bought it $250, right? So this microphone is $250, and I'll be leaving the link in the description if you want to buy it, okay? And you are going to get it at a very low price. Yes, so you're going to get it way less than $200, yes, if you buy with the link in the description, okay? All right, so this is it. So let me try and open it. All right, so it comes with a manual here, right? It comes with a manual, and then it also comes with 2 adapters, right? So you can see it's right here, okay? And then this one is for iPhone, okay? And the one for the Android, which is Type-C, is actually in my phone right now, okay? And I'm using its currency. As you can see, I'm already using one of the microphones, right? Yeah. So this is how the packaging looks like. You understand? Very, very beautiful, okay? Let me also show you the box as well. Okay. All right. Yeah, so now to the microphone itself. So this is how it looks like, right? So you remove the rubber from it, you put it somewhere, and the case is so beautiful. The case is so beautiful, right? So you open the case and you're going to see the microphones inside. Okay, so it is actually 2, but I've removed one is here. Okay, So you remove it like this, you get me? Once you remove it like this, okay, and then you remove the adapter also, and then you put it right here, you get me? So this is for iPhone, but I just want to make it, well, I just want you to understand what I'm trying to talk about, right? So you put it right here, okay, good. So once you put it there, then the next thing you are going to do is to remove the microphone. So the microphone, it's either you bring the bigger one here and then put the magnet in your dress, right? So this is it, you understand? Yeah, I hope you can see. Very, very nice. Okay, or you can also bring the smaller one outside, rather, you get me? So you bring the smaller one outside like what I've done, and then you put it right here. I hope you can see. Yeah, very, very beautiful. And it's actually very easy. It's one of the most expensive wireless microphones, right? Yes, but it is worth it, honestly. It has a very strong noise cancellation. Okay, so I hope you cannot hear any noise. Yes, in fact, there is a fan on here, but you can't hear the sound of the fan because it has a noise cancellation, right? All right, so now when you open it also, I think there are some stuff inside. Let's see. All right, so it also comes with its sack, right? So the sack contains a lot of things. I don't know whether you can see. All right, so you understand? So it comes with a cord, another cord here, and another cord for, I don't know what this cord is going to be used for, right? Yeah, for this one, I don't know. Okay, and then it also comes with, in case you want to put it in your neck, right? Yeah, in case you want to put it in your neck, you can just put it on your neck, right? Yeah, so you see, you just cut it. Yeah, so that is it. And then in case you want to use the foam as well, yes, you can also put the foam on it, right? You get me? Just put the foam on it, and then it's you are good to go. So that is it. Let me quickly put them back inside, right? No, very, very simple. So I'm done with this one. Now the next one is my headset. Okay, so this is the headset. I've already unboxed it. Okay, so as I showed to you earlier, this is my headset. If I want to go live on YouTube, I can use this particular headset, right? Yeah, so this is my headset. So the headset came together with this. So this headset came together with this one, right? Yeah, so in this one, the first thing we have is the stand. Okay, and as you can see, I've already removed the stand and I've fixed it right here. Okay, so it comes with the stand, you get me? Yeah, so that's the stand, and the stand also comes with the pop filter as well. Okay, and this microphone is actually here. Okay, so let me bring it right here. Yeah, now I hope you can see. So this is the microphone right here. So it's supposed to be here, right? And then this is it, you understand? Yeah, then it comes with its sound card. So the sound card is basically to just make it sound very well. Okay, so you just fix this thing right here, you get me? And then there's just something very, very quick. Okay, yeah, so and then you fix your sound card, right? Oh my god, where is it? Yeah, and then you fix your sound card here, you connect it to your mobile phone or your camera, and then you are good to go, you get me? Yes, so okay, so let me keep it here for the meantime, right? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it here for the meantime. and I'm done. I will, okay, so it also comes with its foam as well. Yes, so this is it, right? All right, so let me put it here for the meantime. You get me? And now the next thing is my table podcast microphone. You get me? Yeah, so this is my table podcast microphone. You understand? Yes. So now the reason I bought this table podcast microphone is that honestly I didn't like how this thing was sounding, right? In fact, it was very stressful as well. So I had to get this table podcast microphone, right? Yeah, hope you can see. So let me unbox it. And I tested it, and it was actually very, very sweet sound. You get me? So this is how it looks like. You understand? This is how it looks like. So it comes with its stand. You get me? Yeah. So let me put it somewhere. Hello. You can use it for your live stream, make your YouTube videos, everything you want to do. Hello. Yeah. And I intend to use this microphone in this particular, holder right here. You understand? Yeah, because I think the sound from this is quite far better than this one. Okay, so if you want this as well, you can also get it in the description, okay, of my video. You understand? So it also comes with it's foam. So just put the foam on. You understand? And then it comes with a headset, earpins, right? So you can listen to yourself and know what it's actually going on, right? And the interesting part about this particular microphone is that it is plug and play. You understand? So it's called plug and play USB microphone. You understand? Plug and play USB microphone. You get me? Yep. So all you have to do is to come here, connect it here, right? And then once you connect it here, just get your mobile phone, you connect it to your mobile phone. You understand? Great. You see, immediately you connect it to your mobile phone, you are actually going to see it turned on here. And then whatever I want to do, you can do. So let me see if there's a recorder here. All right, so let me try to record something. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince. So let's see how it sounds. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince. Yeah, so hello. Yeah. So you can see that there is some echo inside. So if you don't want the echo, all you have to do is to mute the echo right here. You understand? Yeah. So I didn't want to make this thing actually, very long, right? In fact, of all the equipment, this is my favorite one. You understand? Because this is the most expensive of all. This microphone you are seeing is expensive than this, right? So in total, I don't know how much it costs. I also have two new phones, right? I have Samsung. This is what I'm actually using to film the video. Samsung S22. I got this for $450. And then I'm also using iPhone 11 Pro to also capture this top here, right? Yes. And that is $360. Okay. So can someone make the calculation in the comment section for me? $450 plus $360 plus $35 plus $55, you get me, plus $250, you get me, plus $3. Okay, yeah. And for my table, I got it for $140, you get me. Yes. And for my chair, this chair, beautiful chair, very relaxing. I got this particular chair for $150. Okay, so now someone let me know the total amount in the comment section. Okay, and if you have started a YouTube channel and you don't have these things I am talking about, all these things I'm having, don't be discouraged. It is a gradual process. You understand? Start with what you have. Once you make the money, you know, all the rest will come. You understand? But if you have the money to afford them now, don't waste time. Afford them now, because now content creation, branding talks a lot. You understand? So if you have the money, make sure you buy it now. If you don't have the money, don't worry at all. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince, and if you have not watched this video right here, make sure you watch it, and then see you in my next video. Goodbye.